And
Yep.
Daddy's the batter? Okay.
The eye in the ball, Daddy.
I'm ready to go.
Keep your eye on the ball, Daddy.
Okay. Ball.
Eye in the ball. The eye in the ball.
Okay.
Okay,
try
pitch it again.
Try it again. Batter up.
Come up, Daddy. I got fire in the ball.
Okay.
I'm gonna catch it.
Okay. Throw it. Oh, strike. Wow. That was a good one, bud.
That was a good one. Strike
In
one.
the middle.
Strike one, Daddy.
Yeah, you're going to strike Daddy out?
Strike that.
I didn't know you could throw that good.
Strike.
Good catch.
Oh.
All right, bud. I think you're natural.
Strike one.
Okay. Ah, yeah.
Oh, you're under.
You got to field that, man. Get in front of that grounder. That was a good pitch, though. I'm showing bunt.
Turn over the bat. Hold it.
You want to bet?
Hold it.
Can Daddy? Oh, okay.
Oh, is he holding it the wrong way?
Fish strikes are out.
You have to throw 3 strikes
Come
first.
on, I can't wait. I ain't got all day. Come on. Oh, that was a pretty good pitch.
Foul ball.